First, we're going to be talking about the field comments module. First thing we need to do is connect it to a collection. In this case, I'm going to attach it to our employees collection. We can enable it on all fields by default, or we can select specific fields we wish to be able to comment against. When we add an initial record, so for this I'll be adding myself. I am the developer experience engineer. I do things with extensions. You'll notice how there's no additional information or anything here. Once the record is created, we can go back in, and you'll notice how there are now additional comments sections that we can add. So in this case, at admin user, is this person actually the DevX engineer? Once we submit this, we'll be add a comment to that field, and it'll tag accordingly how many comments are available. This also uses the existing commenting feature of Directus, so if you tag somebody, etc., they will receive a notification about it. And as an aside, any field level comment is completely isolated to its field and doesn't appear in the item level comments.